We didn't kidnap him.
Yeah, I did.
Make the ground shake.
What's up, guys? And today we're doing the handcuff challenge part 2, since we asked y'all to give 10 likes to this video and for part 2. And today Adrian's gonna be doing it, but he's gonna have more of a challenge because inside the pocket where you get the key, there's more items in there, and in which will be difficult for him to get.
There's 2 keys. One of them's the wrong key, isn't it?
And he can't use, yes, one of them's the wrong key, which you can't use the safety unlock to get out like how some people did.
I think
and we'll time you.
Yeah, I can.
Let's see if you can win at this game, because every other game we've done, you won. And we'll start in a minute.
I'm just looking for here to push start.
Oh, go.
I like, get that sourdough thing out.
I do this for my mother, who's finally clean. I do this for you.
Whoa, you got
I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for you.
Oh shit. What the hell?
I'm out. Woo! 30 seconds? Or almost 30 seconds?
28 seconds. Damn.
Did you really? Yes, I did. Angel, did I already do it?
Yes, I just believe so.
All I did was get this sourdough thing out of here, and then I just started doing everything else.
Well, I think we should have put it tighter for 3 more people like how it was on me.
It wasn't that tight. Did 3 clicks because I got fat wrists.
3 clicks for fast wrist. Now Gustavo's gonna redo it for cheating. You cheated last time. You used the safety unlock. Now you have to redo it. I can hear you. Okay, fine.
What are we doing, Timmy? Sit down. What are we doing, Timmy?
The handcuff challenge. And me. He's gonna be in the box.
Turn around and bend over. I'm almost put these on. Turn around.
Looking stupid while asking why. Couldn't lie, I really do this for the ones I love. Those who treat the music as a vice and lyrics like a drug. Those who need advice on how to lift their spirit high enough to break out of the box they make up lives they aren't good enough. Just because it's how it is, don't mean it's how it has to be. This is what the uninspired testifiers fail to see. Jealousy results from being that which others fail to be. And if it means you're not with me, that honestly sounds fair to me.
I do this for my father, who got only seen time and time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean. No longer a thing. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for you. All the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside. That's why I do this for you.
Do you get a key?
Yeah, I got one.
Fell too.
Do this for my father, cause these days I often wonder what my life would have been like if I was not adopted. To grow up in a home where I was treated like a problem. I don't know, it's just a guess. Your guess probably good as mine. Lucky that I grew up in a home that wanted me to shine. Lucky that I grew up around some mountains we were taught to climb without that inspiration. I don't think that this would be my life. Do this for my friends who scattered all across the country now. I'm out in Sweden walking back through life so I can write it down. Make a living off the sound. So crazy to say out loud. I'm the biggest.
I don't know where they stay.
Sorry, gotta start a little. Used to have my dreams belittled, but it's all a part of it.
I didn't keep time.
People's lines are fickle lines between reality and dreams. I learned like faded nights.
There it goes.
It's been so good for me. I'll just let it make it twice.
I do this for my father, time and time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean. No longer a thing.
Why is this so hard?
I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for you. All the naysayers and haters are made me. I know it kills you inside. That's why I do this for you.
We can't do it.
You gotta take both of them out.
Got it.
How was it?
Cheek.
Finished him? How was it?
It was good. Oh, damn.
And cut.